When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Siva Nag recipes with me Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare Bombay Chutney. This Bombay Chutney is a very good combination with Poori. And so many people like to eat this Bombay Chutney with Idli also. And its taste very delicious. Don't miss it. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, take half cup of basin flour, add this into a bowl. Into this, add 1 glass of buttermilk and mix it properly and keep it aside. Now take pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, add jeera, add white urad dal, add chana dal, add mustard seeds, add dry red chilies and combine everything and fry it on a low flame. Add curry leaves, add green chili pieces, add finely chopped ginger, mix everything. Now add tomatoes, add required amount of salt. After 5 minutes, add little bit of water, add coriander leaves, add hing and mix it properly. Now add basin buttermilk mixture into this and combine it properly. Cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Remove the lid after 5 to 10 minutes and switch off the flame and transfer this Bombay Chutney into a bowl. That's all, the Bombay Chutney was ready. Try this simple and easy recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare potato fry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notification, subscribe to Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.